In this video, I will show you how to fix high CPU usage in Windows. If you're experiencing high CPU usage on Windows 10 or 11, here's how to fix it. Open Device Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. Scroll down, expand System Devices, find High Precision Event Timer, right-click it, and select Disable Device, then confirm by pressing Yes. Next, search for Power Plan and open it. Select the High Performance Plan. If you don't see it, expand the drop-down menu to find it. Open Task Manager in the Processes tab, sort by CPU usage and end tasks for any apps using too much CPU that you don't need. Go to the Startup tab in Task Manager and disable unnecessary startup programs by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Finally, restart your PC to apply all changes. This should reduce your CPU usage and improve performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.